guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I'm going to show you how I made this patriotic wreath. I used the bubble method and it's really simple to make. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. For this wreath, you're going to need one of the Dollar Tree 14-inch wreath forms. You're also going to need 2 rolls of mesh. I only had the 1 roll because I used the other one on a patriotic yardstick door swag, and I can link that tutorial for you in the description box if you have not seen it, but I was a little short with having 1, so you really need 2 rolls of the 10-inch mesh, and you're going to need some pipe cleaners to get started. First, you're going to gather your mesh together and go to the crossbar and either take a zip tie or a pipe cleaner that you cut in half and secure your mesh to your wreath form. Then you're going to move your hand down about 11 inches, gather your mesh together, then go to your wreath form. We're only going to be using the 2 middle wires. Take a pipe cleaner that you cut in half, wrap it around your mesh, and those 2 middle wires, go to the back and give the pipe cleaners a few twists and then fold them down. Each wreath form has 6 sections, and so we're going to be making 5 bubbles per section. So move your hand down about 11 inches and make a bubble, then take a pipe cleaner and secure it around those 2 middle wires on your wreath form. Now you'll want to make your bubbles the same size each time. So if you need to measure them and make them 11 inches, you can make them 10 or 11 inches. Just try to be consistent each time. The bubble method is a really simple method, and that way you don't have to worry about the fraying like you do in some other methods. And just be consistent, slide your hand down about 11 inches, make a bubble, take a pipe cleaner, wrap it around your mesh and those 2 metal bars, then go to the back and give them a few twists. I ordered this 10-inch mesh online at Craft Outlet, so I would recommend ordering 2 rolls of the 10-inch mesh because I was a little short and one section I did have to use some blue mesh. Here I'm showing you that I made 5 bubbles in each section. Now remember, I only showed the 1 roll, but you will need 2 rolls of this 10-inch mesh to complete your wreath. Don't forget, if you are entering my May 2022 giveaway, to write those 2 words in the comments section on this month's DIYs and my Shop With Me videos. I've noticed some people have forgotten to write those 2 words, so if you're entering, don't forget to write those 2 words in the comments. Also, if you share this video, please let me know because that gives you an extra entry into my monthly giveaway. So I'm going to play some music for you now because all you're going to do is make the same size bubbles all the way around the wreath. the wreath looks so pretty that since I did not have 2 rolls, I am 1 section short. So I decided to use some blue 5.5-inch mesh that I had left over to fill in, and I decided to place my sign where that colored mesh is going. I have made wreaths similar to this one before and left a section open on purpose and put like a larger sign there. But with this one, since my star sign from Dollar Tree is not too big, I decided I need something to go behind it. So I had this blue mesh, so I just did the same steps. I just made about 10-inch bubbles and filled in that little section with the solid blue mesh. Next, I'm tying a big bow to put on the top left side, and I let out some long tails for this bow, and then I'm going to do 3 loops on the left, 3 loops on the right with this striped ribbon that is 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire, and then I'm going to add some 1.5-inch width ribbon with wire. I think I'm only going to do 2 loops on the left and 2 loops on the right with the red. To attach the bow to the wreath, I'm taking a piece of floral wire, threading it underneath the zip tie, and that way I can easily attach it to my wreath. So I'm going to take the wire and I'm going to the top left side of the wreath, and I am just going to thread the wires through the mesh, go to the back of the wreath, give the wires a few twists, cut them off short, and fold them down. And then I'll fluff my loops, and I'm going to leave my tails long this time. Make sure you dovetail the ends. I hot glued some pipe cleaners to the back of the star sign from Dollar Tree. Now I'm just going to take the pipe cleaners, wrap them around the wreath, go to the back, give them a few twists, and fold them down. So this is the way it looks so far, but I'm not finished. I picked up another cute sign at Dollar Tree and then some star table scatter that I added to this wreath from Dollar Tree. I just hot glued the USA stars onto the wreath. I'm using Gorilla Glue hot glue, and I have my hot glue gun set on low temp, so just hold it a little while, let it have time to dry, and then I'm just adding the stars to it. You can use this same method to make a wreath for any season or holiday. Just choose whatever color mesh you like and ribbon and a cute sign. I really like the way this wreath turned out. I wish I would have had 2 rolls. I think it would have been a little bit prettier, but I still think it looks okay with having to use a little bit of the blue mesh underneath the sign. You'll have to let me know your thoughts if you like it or not. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share, and if you have not subscribed, I'd love to have you as a subscriber.